Hey there, welcome to the second video of this series. Today we get to set up a VR headset. So in the first video we covered why designers are moving into VR and how does it work. And now we get to actually go into the headset and experience how it feels like to just get started and use it. Today I'm going to be using a Quest 3 to set it up. I decided to go with a standalone headset for this video just because setting up a standalone headset is a little bit more, I wouldn't say complex, but there's more steps to it than if you use a tethered headset. Basically, if you use a tethered headset, you just plug it into your PC, download the apps that you need to use, and start using it. With a standalone headset, you're essentially setting up a whole computer that you're going to be wearing. And so there's a few more steps that you need to go through. So we'll go through those today and we'll get your VR headset ready to start implementing it into your workflow. All right, so before we get started with the setup, make sure that you have Wi-Fi available, that you have the password, that you have a Meta account, or it can be a Meta account, a Facebook account, an Instagram account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to create one first, so it's just easier to do all of the setup. And just find a place where you feel comfortable setting it up. You can be sitting down at your desk, at a couch, feel free. You don't necessarily need a massive space. You usually see these headset ads and people using the headsets with these massive spaces because they need to move and stand and all of that. Don't worry about that. Just be where you're going to actually be using the headset, and that's more than enough. Okay, so the first step is putting it on and turning the headset on with the round button that you're going to find on the left side. Cool. So right now it's asking me to adjust the headset, like adjust the straps, make sure that it fits correctly. It's really important that the headset fits correctly because that will, of course, make you feel comfortable, but also give you the best experience visually. You can also adjust the spacing of the lens. So just keep moving it until everything is clear and comfortable. Okay, so in there, you're gonna get an interactive experience with some animations that are going to take you step by step into setting it up. So the first thing that you get is selecting the language. So use those laser pointers to point at the language that you're going to be using, and then use this front click button to just select it. And then just follow all of the steps that it's going to ask you to follow. So at some point, it's going to ask you to set up the Wi-Fi for the headset. So it's going to give you two options: the setting it up inside of the headset or using your phone to do so. This time we're gonna do it inside of the headset just because I know that your headset is new and you want to use it as much as possible. So click on there. Otherwise, you can click on the other option and then just do it on your phone. Now the Wi-Fi is set, so it's asking me to go to my phone and set up the Meta Horizon app. Okay, now I have my phone with me. Let's download the Meta Horizon app and then just follow all of the steps that it's asking you. This is the part where it's going to ask you for the Meta account, Facebook account, Instagram account, so make sure you have one. Okay, so once it's finished downloading, just open the app and do all of the different things that it's going to ask you to do. Cool. In my case, I already have a Meta account, so just, I'll go ahead and click continue. But in your case, just follow the instructions for setting up the account for the first time. It's pretty straightforward. It's just logging in as with any other app. You probably already have a Meta account, whether it's Meta, Facebook, Instagram. So it's going to be quite straightforward to just log in to the app. So once you've logged in, it's going to show you a lot of content. Just ignore that for a little bit and go to the top left corner where you have the three lines. Click in there and you're going to see devices. Click in devices, and this is where you're going to add your new device. So if you don't have any devices connected to the app, you're not going to see any. In my case, I already have one. And so you click on Add Device, and this is where you select the headset that you have. I have a Quest 3, so I'll select that. and it's going to start pairing straight away with the headset that I have here with me. Okay, so once it's paired, it's going to give you some screens with different information, so safety information, privacy information, and so on. So just have a read and make sure you feel comfortable with all of it and that you know everything that they're trying to tell you. And then it will ask you if you want to have a 1-month trial of the Meta Horizon Plus. You choose whatever you want, and then it's going to ask you for your payment method. You know, for the purpose of this series, we're going to be downloading free apps, but feel free to do whatever you want if you want to already include a payment method, or you can just skip that part. And then you're all set. So you can put the headset back on and then just continue following the steps in there. Okay, so let's put the headset back on. Grab the controllers. So you're gonna see a big welcome icon in front of you. Just use the laser pointers to click on it with the click button here. Click. And so this part is really fun and important because it's going to show you how to use the menus that you have inside of the headset, basically the interface that you're going to be using every single time. And it's going to show you how to use the hand gestures to control also the menus and do certain things. So feel free to go with the tutorials, explore, interact with these kind of like explore with these very interactive experiences that they've created for you. And once you're done, feel comfortable, you can just continue with the rest of the setup. And so it will show you a really nice video of everything that you can do to inspire you to do all of these different things. So like enjoying movie night, doing workouts and so on. At some point I'll do a video on all of these different things that you can do. But for now, just have a look at this video and enjoy. And so once you're done with the video, it's going to ask you to open your universal menu. So you're gonna have to click on this button that you have right here. You're gonna see it in the screen, like inside of the headset. You click on that button and then your menu will appear. And you're all set. This is what you get once you're inside of the headset. This is your menu bar. You can find everything that you need in here. You have settings, notifications, the app store, the library that you have. This is where you can go and be immersive. So right now I'm seeing the world around me, like the real world. And in here, you're gonna see, if you click on here, you're gonna suddenly be inside of this immersive space, which is quite fun. And you can adjust, change, you can go to other places. So at some point I'll do this video of like the other fun stuff that you can do with VR, and I'll make sure to cover this. And here you have the app store where we're going to be downloading the apps that we need. And, you know, just feel free to just, you know, have a look at everything that you have in here. You have categories, for example, you have creativity, education, a lot of different things that you can click in there. And so we're going to be downloading Gravity Sketch this time for you to see how it looks like. So Gravity Sketch, here we are. Here we're going to click on it, download. And then it will begin downloading. Once it's downloaded, you're going to see it appear here in the library. All right, so that was it for today. So if you see, it's not that hard. It's just following all the different steps. Meta has made sure to make it as straightforward as possible and a very enjoyable experience. As I said, the standalone headsets are the ones that take more steps to get set up. The tether headsets are a little bit easier to do. And so right now you've already downloaded your first app. You can just go and explore that app, which is Gravity Sketch, or you can just go and download all other apps that you want and just feel free to explore them and enjoy the headset for now. Next time we're going to go diving into Gravity Sketch for the first time, so it's going to be quite exciting. Right now you've already covered how to get started with the VR headset, how to feel comfortable inside of this new spatial world. Feel free to just continue exploring, moving around, clicking everything that you can, because that will help you to make this new experience feel like second nature to you. And so, yeah, see you next time so that we can start diving into Gravity Sketch for the first time. Bye.